Hi, first graders. Yesterday we read a story about penguins. It was called Penguins Oceans Alive. So, the great thing about this story is there were so many good details in it, so much information that we got to learn about penguins, some of it that I never even knew. So, we were learning brand new things all about penguins. So, today, your main question, our essential question, is how do key details support the main topic? So, what is the main topic? What does that mean? The main topic is what the story is mostly about. What's the main idea? What was the author trying to tell us most about? So, one way that we can figure out the main topic of a story is to look for all of those really good details in the story, and it will give us the answer. If we think, was this story mostly about how penguins eat? Might be. Where is the details? Where's that text evidence in the story that shows that it's all about how penguins eat? So today, you guys are going to reread Penguins Oceans Alive. So you are going to log into Epic and you're going to read through this story. And we're going to see if we can figure out what's the main topic of this book. Okay, so always some of the clues that we can look for are the title and the pictures. Those are two really, really good clues that can help us figure out what the main topic is. So as we go to this first page, I like to look at this picture. So I'm seeing all these penguins. Some of them are in the water. Some of them are up here on land. So I'm going to keep that in my mind as a little clue as I read. So then again, you can read the story through. Penguins are flightless birds. They live on land and in the ocean. They spend as much time in the ocean as they do on land. So we can think about the picture. Does that make sense? What we read, does that make sense? What we see in the picture? I see some in the water and some on land. So that makes sense to me. Those details helped me understand what is going on this page. I want you to continue to read. Most penguins live around Antarctica. Some penguins live on warm islands. So this page is mainly talking about what? Is it telling us what penguins eat? Is it telling us all about where they like to swim best? No, it's telling us where penguins live, isn't it? Some live in the snow and some live on warm islands. Different kinds of penguins. All right, so those details, those key details in the words, in the text, and those pictures, they help us figure out what that main topic of this book is going to be. Okay, you guys, at the end, once you're finished reading, you're going to give me your guess. You're going to give me your best guess. You're going to make a prediction of what you think the main topic of this whole book is about. Alrighty, so I want you then to pick at least one. If you have more, give me more, but at least one bit, one proof from the story. It's called text evidence that supports your answer. How do you know that that is what the main topic of this book is? All right, if you need to, rewatch this video if you need to know exactly what you're doing. And you're going to scroll down and see some pictures, and I'll type up exactly what you need to do as well, okay? Enjoy reading this book. Send me a photo of your written answer in Dojo, all right? Have your grown-up at home send me a picture so I can look at your responses. Remember capital letters at the beginning of your sentences, and make sure you always put your period at the end of every sentence, okay? Let me know if you have any questions at all. I'll see you later. Talk to you soon. Bye.